Distribute. Using the distributive property to multiply one term across several other terms. To distribute is to use the distributive property of math. A term outside a set of terms inside a parentheses is multiplied by the terms in the parentheses. Example, given 4 times parentheses x minus 5 and parentheses, it equals 4 times x plus 4 times minus 5, which equals 4x minus 20. Here is another example. 2 times the quantity parentheses x squared minus 4x plus 5 and parentheses. It equals 2 times x squared plus 2 times negative 4x plus 2 times 5 equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 10. To distribute is to execute the distributive property by multiplying one term outside of a parentheses across several other terms inside a parentheses. Synonyms: multiply across terms. Related words: distributive property.